Skylar was created by our founder, Kat Chen. As a first-generation American of Taiwanese parents, she learned from a very young age to dream the impossible. When she became a parent herself, she learned that her daughter had an allergic reaction and sensitivity to her favorite fragrance. And that was her inspiration to create Skylar, a line of clean fragrances that allowed everyone to feel beautiful, confident, and safe in their own skin. All of Skylar fragrances are hypoallergenic, safe for sensitive skin, vegan, and cruelty-free. We're excited to introduce to you our brand new custom full-size bottle, a unique, beautiful square shape that sits in the palm of your hand. You'll notice on the inside a special organic cloud-like shape, made to mimic the clouds in the sky and to give you that crisp, airy feeling. We created this bottle specifically to reflect the Skylar ethos. We believe that authenticity is beautiful, and the organic shape inside of the bottle really reflects that nothing needs to be perfect and that all of us are special and unique. All of our Skylar fragrances come in 2 sizes. You can keep the full 50 ml size of Salt Air at home on your vanity, or you can take the 10 ml rollerball with you for middle of the day touch-ups or for weekend getaways. Always keep in mind when applying your fragrance to tap, don't rub. You want to apply here on your pulse points, which are on your wrist and also on your neck, like so. This allows for maximum wear and impact for your fragrance. Another great thing about Skylar scents is that they were designed to be layered. When you go to the back of the unit carton, you'll actually find that there are layering recommendations for you right there on the box to help you find that perfect complementary scent. At Skylar, we dream and clean. Our scents are clean, crisp, nature-inspired with a conscience.